This right here is an Aria vent no-see niche. It's designed for people who actually use their shower, but then at the same time want to keep it nice and clean. Let me show you how to install it. Alright, so before you install your no-see niche, you want to make sure you have your shower system done ahead of time. This niche is designed perfectly to fit inside a 12-inch by 12-inch prefab niche. It could be a Schluter, laticrete, Grouting, whatever one works. It will fit perfectly inside of that, and then you can go ahead and start tiling. All right, you see that you have about ½ an inch of wiggle room here, and this flange is kind of thin because they want to keep low profile. So when I'm tiling, I'm going to make sure that my tile is sticking out about 1/8 of an inch above this and maybe 1/8 of an inch below this. So this has a nice tight squeeze into the niche itself. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to tile this wall up to here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so now we got to mark these pieces, and I know that my niche fits in perfectly right here, and I don't really have that much room side to side. So all I have to do is basically make a mark right here and here, make a mark on this side and this side, dry fit 2 pieces and connect those dots. Let me show you. All right, see, so now I have my level lined up with that dot and this dot, and then I can connect these lines, and then I know exactly where to go. This is gonna be my bottom piece. It's gonna be my top piece, because these are the pieces that are going to go inside the niche on the face itself. So now we can take this down, make these cuts, and then just keep tiling. Okay, so here's the most important part, is now we have to set this. We have our wall tiled. Now we're going to set this. And I set this before I grout. This way I can clean it up and then grout right next to it just the way I want it. So the way you set it is essentially you're going to have big globs, 4 big globs on the back, just like this. And this is a silicone-based grout caulking. Super strong caulking. This is the stuff that you would put in the corners of your tile work. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to put on the back, put some over here as well. It's going to ooze out, and I want to see some ooze out. This way I feel a little bit more secure about it. Just like that. Then I'm going to add one more just for whatever. All right, now we're going to gently place this right into here. Just like that. Push that in. I feel that touching there. Now I'm going to get my sponge and clean all this up. And then I have a cool trick to do with these clips to hold the niche in place. All right, so check this out. So to hold this in place while it's curing, I'm going to move my tile leveling clips over the flange here and then tighten it, and see, it just pinched this together. I'm gonna do it here as well. And watch it pinch that whole thing together. And then I'll be able to do it in these corners also. All right, so while this is drying, what we're going to do next is figure out the inside here. So I'm just going to make my mark right here and here, basically just mirroring these this grout line. And then I have that leftover piece. I'm going to go measure it off, have it fit perfectly inside of here, and then do the same thing for the top. Okay, so we just made our cuts, and you can see that this kind of chippy right here. And because this will be an exposed cut, we'll be able to see it inside the niche. What we want to do is then grab our polishing pad right here and just clean it up. Okay, so now we're going to thin set our tile, get that in here, and really nicely just install it. Make sure it's nice and flush with this outside metal here, you don't, with this little flange, you don't want this to be in too far. We want it to be right there. Now we can measure off our top piece and we're almost done. All right, guys, we're almost done. We are done for today. We did all the tiling here. Now we gotta let this cure. We're going to come back tomorrow and grout it. And tomorrow is right now. All right, guys, and it's tomorrow. How fast was that? All right, we just have to knock off our clips, clean all this up, and then get grouting. All right, so we got to this part where we have to wash the grout out, and it's kind of difficult. And for that reason, come here, Alex. They have these little nuts right here that you can take off. And then you can take this entire inside casing basically out to wash this out. They do this also when you're trying to do a deep clean, you know, every couple months. You then are able to take this right out and then really make sure that there's nothing gooky going on back there, and then just reset it. Super easy. All right, guys, our bathroom is all finished up. Let me show you the niche itself. Look how nicely it blends into the wall. What's cool here is that you can have all these things inside of it, and then you can just close it and nobody sees it. So if you have guests coming over or whatever, you don't have to spend that much time cleaning up your shower. Also, the mirror option here, it's awesome if you're gonna be either shaving in your shower, flossing, doing whatever. So this is an Aria vent no-see niche. The link for it is down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.